What is this, soap?
What's soap made of?
Ivory.
Whale blubber.
Perfumes?
Fat. It's made from fat. Made from human fat, right?
Sure. Well,
You impressed?
I am. How does soap work?
You're asking me some tough questions right now, to be honest with you.
They are tough questions.
Okay.
Use the soap to wash yourself.
And if this is an advertisement for soap, you've asked the wrong person.
Okay, who wants to have some good, clean science fun?
Let's go! We do!
Okay, right on. And the cleanest science fun you can have is with this stuff. What's that?
Cheese?
What's that?
Soap?
That's soap. So I'm going to start by showing you some of the ingredients of soap, okay? And believe it or not, in order to show you some of the ingredients of soap, I'm going to have to put on some gloves. The first ingredient we start with to make soap is something called lye. Lye is a basic ingredient of regular soap. And watch what happens if we add a little bit of water to the lye and the aluminum. What do you see happening in there? Oh, look at that. What happened to the aluminum?
Burned a hole through it.
Okay. What you're seeing in there is one of the main ingredients of soap. Who knows what another ingredient of soap might be?
Oil.
So you use fat and oil. It's just like... Want to wash your hands with that? Want to wash your hands with that? How in the world can you wash yourself with lye and fat? Well, there's an answer. It's chemistry, right? You take two substances, put them together, you get a third substance that behaves differently. You create this miracle product called soap. What does soap do?
Clean things?
It cleans things. And how does it clean things?
I don't know.
We need to do an experiment here. You're going to be water. You are grease. And you are water. Grease. Water.
I'm water.
All right.
Water and grease. Do you get along?
No.
You know what soap does?
Brings us together.
Soap comes in between the two of you. I need your hand. Trust me. And now the two of you can get along thanks to me. And because soap's like both of you, now we can all move together. That's all soap does. Soap just allows the water and the grease to connect. Who wants to do some experiments so we can see what soap actually does?
We do.
Let's start with a bowl. And a bowl full of milk. Okay? And we need you to make just a couple of drops in an open spot on the milk, okay? There we go. Are the food coloring and the milk getting along?
No.
Not really. Let's add a couple of drops of soap to see what it does. Because the soap works with both substances, it helps mix them up and make them work together. Let's do a second experiment to look at the very specific effects of soap on oil. Okay, so to do this, we've got 2 bottles, each filled with water. I'm going to add some olive oil. And pour some oil in. What do you see there?
They're separate.
They're separated.
They don't want to get together.
Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to shake them up. But before we shake them up, we're going to add soap to one of them. Seal it up. Make sure the lids are on good and tight on both of them. Just mix them up a little bit. A little harder to pull.